Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will guide you how to add Mahrum. इस वीडियो में आज आपको बताएंगे महरम ऐड कैसे करते हैं. Let's start. You have to go to link I will give you in the description. Click on it. Click the link. Click on English. Scroll down. How the price is going in 2021. This is the first one is the tower price, the very high price, I think 16,500. The second one came 14,381. 12,113 Hajj of 2021. Now you have to click on register. Scroll down. Click I agree. Here you have to insert the Iqama number of your sister, wife who want to Hajj. Now click on date of birth. Insert the date of birth. Iqama. The same date of birth you have to insert here. Now click on the residence city. Now here you have to insert the where you are living now. Jeddah, Taif, Makkah. You have to insert here. And now image code showing you here downside 12ER. Insert this one. Click on submit. Now here you have to insert the mobile number. The same Iqama number you have registered on Tawakkalna. You have to insert the same number. Click on send request. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes because verification code sometime he will take the time. After you get the verification code you have to insert here. Click on confirm. Now here you have to get all information. Without Mahrum you have to insert here, you will get the message registration completed. But here in case Mahrum request status is validating information. Now how you solve this? You will go the home page. Click on logout. Now you have to click inquiry. Now insert the same Iqama number and the image code here. Click on submit. Now here you have to insert the date of birth. Okay, click on submit. Now here you will get the pending Mahrum information missing request status. Scroll down. Here relation you have to click on father, mother, husband. Who is going with you? You have to insert Iqama number here. Now date of birth. Click on submit. Here you will get the registration completed successfully. Anytime you want to check it again, you have to go the same link website and go to inquiry and insert your Iqama number and date of birth. You will get this message. Please like and subscribe my channel.